Today, we're diving into an important safety alert every Ford owner needs to hear. Ford has issued a new recall involving a potentially dangerous oil leak affecting thousands of vehicles across the country. If you drive a Ford SUV, truck, or crossover from recent model years, this update may apply directly to you. Oil leaks are more than just an inconvenience. They can lead to engine failure, increased fire risk, and costly repairs if ignored. In this video, we're going to walk through what Ford discovered, which vehicles are involved, why the leak is happening, the symptoms drivers should be watching for, and what Ford is doing to fix the problem. Whether you own a Ford or know someone who does, this is information that could protect your vehicle and your safety. Ford's recall centers around a faulty engine component that can allow oil to escape under certain driving conditions. Many drivers first noticed the issue through oil spots in the driveway, a burning smell under the hood, or a warning light on the dashboard. What seemed like a minor problem turned out to be more serious after Ford's internal investigation confirmed that the leak could drip onto hot engine surfaces. That combination increases the possibility of smoke or even an engine fire if left unresolved. Because of this elevated risk, Ford has moved quickly to notify owners and initiate repair procedures through its dealership network. The affected vehicles include select models from recent years, primarily within Ford's popular SUV and truck lineup. These vehicles share a similar engine design, and the oil leak has been traced back to a specific seal and connection point within the engine assembly. Under certain temperature changes or vibrations, the seal can degrade prematurely. Once the seal loses its integrity, oil slowly seeps out and spreads into the engine bay. For some owners, the leak is small and subtle. For others, it can be significant enough to trigger dashboard warnings or reduce engine performance. Ford technicians have reported that the leak most often appears near the oil filter housing or adjacent lines. When drivers continue operating the vehicle with low oil, the engine is placed under additional stress. That stress can lead to overheating, stalling, or long-term internal damage that requires major repairs. This is why understanding the symptoms matters. Ford encourages owners to pay close attention to any unusual engine smell, visible smoke, or the appearance of warning messages such as low oil pressure. These early signs help technicians diagnose the problem before it becomes more severe. While recalls can feel overwhelming, Ford's response includes free inspections and repairs at authorized dealerships. The approved fix generally involves replacing the faulty seal, upgrading related components, and ensuring the engine compartment is clean and safe. For vehicles with more advanced wear due to oil loss, technicians may also perform preventive checks on surrounding parts. The goal is to restore the vehicle to full reliability and avoid future issues from the same cause. Owners will receive official recall notices by mail and email, but many drivers may hear about this recall online first. That's why it's important to verify your vehicle's status using your VIN on Ford's recall website or the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration portal. If your vehicle is included, Ford recommends scheduling an appointment as soon as possible. Although the repair itself is typically quick, dealership appointments may fill up fast during major recall events. It's also worth understanding how this recall fits into Ford's recent history of mechanical updates. Over the last several years, automotive manufacturers across the industry have worked to improve engine efficiency, reduce emissions, and meet new regulatory standards. That innovation sometimes leads to evolving designs that must be refined based on real-world use. Recalls are part of that refinement process. Ford's transparency in this situation ensures that customers know what to look for and how to proceed safely. Drivers should avoid ignoring any oil-related symptoms, even if the vehicle seems to operate normally. Oil loss rarely causes immediate catastrophic failure, but it can quietly damage internal engine components over time. For drivers who notice heavier smoke, a persistent burning smell, or rapid oil loss, Ford advises parking the vehicle and arranging for towing instead of driving to the dealership. Safety should always come first. Some Ford owners have expressed frustration about recurring engine-related recalls. Others appreciate that Ford is taking action before more widespread failures occur. Regardless of opinion, the priority remains the same: protecting families, passengers, and drivers. When a recall involves a fire risk, taking it seriously is essential. The good news is that the repair process is straightforward and fully covered by the manufacturer. Additionally, Ford's newest recall notification includes detailed information about which engines, production ranges, and components are affected. This recall primarily impacts vehicles equipped with engine variations known for their high output and complex oil routing systems. Ford engineers found that under certain conditions, particularly higher heat cycles, the affected component could deform faster than expected. Although not every vehicle will develop an oil leak, Ford issued the recall as a precaution to address all units that may experience the issue in the future. If you've recently checked your oil and noticed consistent drops between oil changes, it's worth investigating. Many owners reported subtle oil level decline over time without obvious external signs. That type of slow leak can be harder to notice until symptoms appear more clearly. Technicians conducting the recall repair will assess whether any secondary issues have occurred because of oil loss and will document their findings so Ford can continue refining its engineering approach. Moving forward, Ford is implementing updated production methods to ensure the new components are more resistant to heat and vibration. This means future vehicles, and those repaired under the recall, will benefit from improved durability. Ford has emphasized that once the updated part is installed, the oil leak risk should be fully resolved. For drivers concerned about long-term reliability, routine maintenance remains the best defense. Checking oil levels regularly, monitoring for unusual smells or smoke, and responding quickly to dashboard alerts can prevent more serious damage. Even after the recall repair, staying aware of your vehicle's engine condition is important for extending its lifespan and ensuring safe operation. As we wrap up, remember that recalls are designed to protect you. Ford's oil leak recall is an important reminder of how critical proper engine sealing and oil circulation are to the health of a vehicle. If your Ford is affected, take advantage of the free inspection and repair. It's quick, straightforward, and ensures peace of mind every time you get behind the wheel. Before we end, make sure to subscribe for more breaking recall alerts, safety updates, and essential automotive news. Staying informed keeps you and your family protected on the road. Subscribe now so you never miss an important update.